Hello everyone, welcome back in the online class of GK. I am Sandhinanda and today I will explain and give the answer of chapter number 15 and 16. So open chapter number 15 in your book. In this chapter, the journey of newspaper is given. Newspaper is a regularly scheduled publication that contains news, information and advertising. You all know about the newspaper. But what is the journey of newspaper? Actually, in Roman, Acta Diurna appearing around 59 BC. It is the earliest newspaper. What is the name? Acta Diurna. It is the earliest paper, and this is the Julius Caesar who published it first time. And he want to give some social and political happenings and events to their peoples, and these were written on large whiteboards and displayed at popular places. And first of all, the newspaper was not published on a paper. Actually, the news are given by written on the large whiteboards and displayed at popular places. The Chinese published pamphlets, and later, with technological developments in Europe, many nations started printing their own newspapers. After that, China started publishing of the pamphlets, and then many European countries started the publishing of the or printing of the newspaper. In 1890 to 1920, the period is called golden age for the print media. It means in this years 1890 to 1920, there are some people, William Randolph Harris, Joseph Pulterizer and Lord Northcliffe built huge publishing empires. They are having huge publishing empires. Then the next topic is the papers all. What is a papers all? There are different kinds of paper. There are different kinds of paper. Daily, it means which publish daily. Then some papers are weekly, which publish only in a week, once in a week on a particular day. They are called the weekly papers. Then the next one is the national. Most nations have at least one newspaper that circulates throughout the country. A common paper of a country is called the national. Then the another one is the international. That is the common paper, or which are the paper which are having international news is called the international paper. And new type of papers are there now, that is called online. Mostly all printed newspapers have online editions also. Nowadays you can search any papers headlines in the on the net also, so that is called online newspapers. Then the next one is the readership. What is a readership? The number of copies distributed, or you can say the number of customers of a newspaper, or number of copies sold by a particular newspaper is called the readership. Readership figures may be higher than circulation figures because many copies are read by more than one person. There are two terms in the readership. One is the newspaper circulation and the circulation and the readership. Two things are there, readership and circulation figures, because many copies are read by more than one person. So Germany Bild, with a circulation of 3.8 million, is the highest selling newspaper in Europe. In Europe, Germany Bild, you can underline this, which is the highest selling newspaper in Europe. So the correct answer is Germany's Bild. It is on page number 26 and under the heading readership, which is the highest reading selling newspaper, is Germany Bild. Then what is the color plus? Next is what is the color plus? Newspapers were usually printed on white paper known as newsprint. Always newspapers are printed on white paper, first of all the inks are in black and white color, color. All the inks are blank color, but since 1980s the printing printing is colored. Now the printing is colored. 4 colored can be processed from 1980, and till now many colors can process on the printing. Financial Times is printed on a distinctive salmon pink paper. That is the pink paper. Which one? Financial Times. Then the size talks. There is a particular size. There is a particular size for a paper, that is 18 into 24 inches. That is 18 into 24 inches. That is the prescribed size for every paper. But some papers are half size of the broadsheets, that is 11 into 17 inches, and often perceived as a sensationalist in contrast to broadsheets in the United Kingdom. In United Kingdom, the Sun is the top seller with around 2.98 million copies distributed daily. So you can underline this, which is the top seller newspaper in USA. And then in India, Dainik Jagran is the top most selling newspaper. So this is the size talk, and this is about the chapter introduction of the newspaper. Here some tick the correct options are given on page number 26. So the first C is Dainik Jagran, second C is the Jansatta, and third C is New York Post. This is these questions are on page number 26. Now on page number 27. Page number 27, some years are given on it. So for your convenience, I have given the numbers to these round shapes or oval shaped ears. In the oval shaped, some ears are given. So you have to number it, and from the bottom you have to start it. From the bottom. So from the bottom where 59 is written, you can write here 1. This is the 1 point. Then till the top you can write 2, 3, 4, 5, and here is the 21 blocks. Rounded ovals are 21. So from bottom you can write, and you can write number 1 from the bottom. It will be easy for you to understand it. Then some special activities are given which occurs in that particular time. So 59 BCE, then like 59 BCE is given, and some events are given in it which are occurring in particular these years. So in first 59 BCE it is already written. Second 713 CE it is already written, but one event is given, that first newspaper, or you can say Acta Diurna, which is the notice on a whiteboard, is started in Rome, and it is started by Julius Caesar. I told you. Then the third is 1040. In this, China started printing from the movable wood blocks. Then next one 1392. So you can write the you can learn the clue also in 4. Movable copper type is invented in Korea. Then the fifth 1447. 1447 you can write fifth 1447. Then 1556 is already given, 1588 already given, and you have to write 1605. 1605. Then 1621 is already given, 1631, 1639, 1645 is already given. After that you have to write 1704. 1704 here on 13th number. 1704. 1798 is already given. Then 1844. Then 1844. Next 1851. 1880 is already given. 1900 is already given. 1903, 1966. Now you have to write 1994. 1994. This is the last year. In this year, independent online daily appears on the World Wide Web. In this year, newspaper occurs on the World Wide Web. So this is the timeline in which in the history of the newspaper, when the different events occurs in the newspaper history. So you can learn year according to the events. Then here is the chapter number 16. This chapter is about the cinema peoples, or you can say about the actor and actress. In it, some awards which these actors get that are given, and some other things are also given. So in the first, who was the first film star to be awarded a Padma Shri in Hindi film cinema? Answer is B, Nargis. Nargis is the Sanjay Dutt's mother. Next, who is the first Indian actress to have been honored with a retrospective of her films in Paris? The answer is Smita Patil. C, Smita Patil. Third, which star was held by belt main throughout the world for appearing in films without his cap? The answer is Sean Connery. Answer is D, Sean Connery. It means it is the belt main, and he never uses cap. Belt man means ganja. He is a ganja actor and never uses cap. So that is the Sean Connery. The next one, which internationally acclaimed Indian painter, graphic artist, sculptor, muralist, architect, and Indian designer has a documentary, A Brush with Life, made on him? The answer is A, M.F. Hussain. M.F. Hussain is a painter, architect, and one movie is there on his life, that is A Brush with Life, M.F. Hussain. The fifth is, who is regarded as father of Indian cinema? The answer is B, Dada Saheb Phalke. This is the important question. Then next, which is the first 3D film made in India? 3D film made in India. Answer is D, My Dear Kutti Chantham. My Dear Kutti Chanthan. Then seventh, which screen name did Mahjabeen Ali Baksh choose, since her real name was not so glamorous? So the answer is B, Meena Kumari. Actually, the real name of Meena Kumari is Mahjabeen Ali Baksh. But when she came to the industry, she changed this name to Meena Kumari. So this is the correct answer is Meena Kumari. One info nugget is also there. The longest feature film ever made in Denmark's Modern Times Forever, running for 240 hours. This is very important. This question can come. Mark this question in your book on page number 28, info nuggets, that which is the longest film, longest feature film ever. So the name is Modern Times Forever, and where it is made, the country is Denmark, and how much time it is running? So the answer is 240 hours. So 3 questions can become from the info nuggets. So this is the over of your chapter number 16 and your syllabus also. So your syllabus is from chapter number 1 to 16, and you have to learn it well. In next video I will give the revision of this chapters, and also I will give the test paper. So till then learn it well, and if you are having any problem, then ask me in the comment section. Till then, thank you and have a nice